people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. Happy New Year, y'all. Listen, I am back in the kitchen whipping up something quick and easy. Y'all know how I like to do it. Today we're having Zuppa Toscana Pasta. Y'all, I just threw this together real quick. I normally make the soup because it is one of our favorites and it calls for potatoes. Well, we don't have any potatoes, so I'm using bow tie pasta. I'm gonna show y'all how I do it, okay? Y'all ready? All right, come on. Let's get started. Okay, y'all, so I diced up one whole onion and I am sauteing it in 2 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil, and I seasoned it with Tony Chachere. That's it. Now, I am using turkey sausage, y'all. Now, it calls for Italian sausage, but we don't eat pork. So, this is how I'm going to make it taste like Italian sausage, okay? I'm using 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. 2 teaspoons of crushed red pepper flakes. And 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds. And y'all, this is going to give the meat the perfect Italian sausage taste, okay? Now, once you get your seasonings added, you just want to go ahead and chop your meat up and cook it until it has browned, cooked through thoroughly, okay? Which is what you see me doing here. Okay, so once your meat is thoroughly cooked, you want to go ahead and drain the liquid from your meat and set this to the side while you start on the next steps. Okay, so I have a large pot of water that I filled halfway. And of course you want to salt your water so that your noodles can be seasoned. I'm using bow tie pasta. So you want to let your water get really hot, almost boiling, before you add the pasta to it. Once you add your pasta, you're going to go ahead and let it reach a boil and cook about 5 or 6 minutes because you don't want it all the way done, okay? Once you boil the pasta, of course, you're going to drain it off to rinse off all the starch and all that, and then you're going to re-add your liquid. Now, I used water because I didn't have any chicken broth, but as you see, I seasoned it with chicken bouillon seasoning, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and add to this the meat that I previously cooked, my Italian sausage, okay, with my onions. And you just want to stir that up a bit just to get things mixed around. Once you do that, then you set this to the side as well. Now I'm going to cook my turkey bacon. I am cutting it up into smaller pieces so that we can have bacon crumbles. Okay, you guys? And you want to cook this down to your desired crispiness. Now, what I did forget was to add my minced garlic when I was making the Italian sausage. So, when my bacon is almost done, I am just going to add my minced garlic at that point. So, this is looking pretty good. So, I'm going to do about a tablespoon of minced garlic. And I'm just going to cook it a little bit more until my bacon gets a little bit crispier and my garlic is cooked down and it's fragrant. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and set that to the side as well, and now we're back at our main pot. Now, the next step is adding in our kale. Now, what I had on hand is frozen chopped kale. You can use fresh if you like, but I'm going to add in 1 16-ounce bag of frozen chopped kale. And then go on top of that with my bacon and garlic. Now I'm just going to give that a stir just to get my ingredients kind of mixed together really good. And then the very last step, you guys, of this soup is adding in heavy whipping cream. And I am using 1 cup, you guys. But that is it. That's all to this soup, y'all. Now, wasn't that easy? Just let everything heat through and come to a low boil, and you got Zuppa Toscana Pasta. Okay, our soup is complete, y'all, and look at it. Doesn't it look delicious? Now, you guys, don't take my word for it now. Give this a try because it is really delicious, and I want y'all to get the full experience. I want y'all to have some deliciousness too. Okay, so y'all know what time it is. It is time to eat. So let's go ahead and make a bowl. Now, you can top it with cheese if you like. We're going to use Parmesan, shredded Parmesan, okay? And you have to have breadsticks on the side. But that's it, y'all. This was a quick and easy meal that you guys should try. All right, let's go see what hubby thinks.
Me do it the best way I know how. It looks great, smells great.
So it's Zuppa Toscana. You know we love that. But we ain't have any potatoes. So I used pasta. So we're having Zuppa Toscana Pasta.
I like it.
Alright.
It is delicious. Thank you. Make it, family.
Did you taste the pasta?
I thought I did. Yeah. Good. I love it.
Alright, he got to get back to his game, y'all. He
Very
rushing
nice.
Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Thank y'all so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Love y'all big. Bye.